Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 9 captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 3 3.5mm screws from the battery. Unseat the battery cable from its grooves and remove the battery. Replace the battery and reseat the cable back into its grooves. Replace the 3 3.5mm screws. Replace the battery cable back into its grooves and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 9 captive screws in the bottom cover.